We'll guide you through how to list products on Amazon using Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Log in to your Printify account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, and from there, select the option to create a new product here. You can browse through the various product categories and choose the item you want to sell. After selecting the product, you can start designing by uploading your artwork or using Printify's design tools. Make sure to adjust your design to fit properly on the product. When you're satisfied with your design, click the Save button. Next, you'll need to integrate your Printify account with your Amazon seller account. Go to the integration section on Printify and select Amazon from the list of available platforms. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Amazon account. This usually involves logging into Amazon and allowing Printify access to your seller account. Once connected, return to your Printify dashboard and find the product you just designed. Click on it and you'll see an option to publish it to your Amazon store. Before publishing, you need to enter important product information such as the title, description, and pricing. Make sure these details are clear and include relevant keywords to help your product rank better in Amazon searches. You can also set your shipping options and ensure that your product images meet Amazon's guidelines. After filling out all the required information, click the Finish button. Your product will now be live on Amazon and available for customers to purchase. Remember to check your Amazon listings regularly to manage orders and inventory through Printify. And that's it. You've successfully listed a product on Amazon using Printify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.